of the hardest things, besides every other thing that comes with it, is when you walk into a new project, especially if you, I'm gonna give you two scenarios. If you are a new project manager taking over, and when I say new, meaning new walking into a project that has already started or they already had a project manager on there, and now you have to get in there and lead the project, or if you are a project coordinator and you're transitioning into becoming a project manager, or you're just uh, more or less basically just leading it. You could lead a project as a project coordinator. But here's the caveat, family. Here's the thing that found the most that it was so funny, and I'm laughing because I'm thinking about all these stories and issues that I had. But you have to get in there and figure out how you can break up any particular silos. If there's silos going on, if there's additional meetings going on outside of the actual project that is more silo driven versus like the team going to go work on a particular resolution or going to actually go do their work, those type of things, you want that to happen.